be kaunti yo nigo baesokire erio kumugikiryo kabero mokonyi bo muraibwense Rigathi Gachagua ase chinkwana chiae chikomusaririe to mugavana Simba Arati chinga kibare ngase tari amatukato imero gongo bagusi abuno murikitwe Cliforenge agotomanya soro botiro kubwatia abamenyi abo bomera naso mubaganyo yo moime mucho bosongo nigo batebere buna chinkwana echo nigo chiarenge echo okomutagorera na igo komusariria na kumusabo mokonyi bo muraibwense yo mokoro gwetanga kurwase okorenta chisegi ase kaunti ya Kisii.
Nensemo yabamenyi be kaunti ya Kisii abo besokire eriko mugikiria oyo kabero mokonyi bo muraibwense ya Kenya Rigathi Gachagua echinkwana chiaye echicharo kante kumusarira mugabana be kaunti ya Kisii Mosike Paul Simba Arati erieta chinga kibalenge asetaro yabo yorogongo rwa Gusii ya matuka tato.
Instead, much of their speeches centered on direct attacks against our governor Simba Arati and other elected leaders. Political competition is heavy, but personal hostility is not. It is concerning that the former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua appeared deeply focused on Governor Arati. This pattern is not new. During his tenure in office, GSU officers were previously sent to governor's residence in Kisii circumstances.
Against, but you can talk about against, then Governor Simba Arati yokorama yandarama nene Kisii okoramwa ngatara kora kende
yarenge nga siasa yachete abante bachete goitero mugafano ito Simba Arati chikura chiaye ndete ko baboriga kacha watari boniga chire Kisii county mwaroche round eri achete Kisii county agatoma abasigari bagache stadium
bagokwana na mugasorero imemo cyobosongo nigamanyia abo bamotebiri oyo kabero mokonyi bo muraibwense ya Kenya gwetanga korwa asokoleto gwetana gwetera asichinkwana chiaye.
Intumuna banyali bali we are totally disturbed. After the elections of 2022, we elected our governor Simba Arati, and the current united opposition is led by the people who were in the current government, led by Gachagua, who was the deputy president, led by the CS Machogu, who was in this government, and when they failed to deliver where they were, they have come now down to disturb people who are working. Remember, we are in a broad-based government.
Yes.
We have one more budget. Yes. And remember, the budget of 2026-2027 is 4.7 trillion. Yes. This is the money we want. Yes. We want to be in this government so that we get this money to complete our cancer center, yes, to complete our airstrip to Neka, yes, to get our flyover from Darajambiri to Kisii High School. Yes. There is no way we can get this thing if we cannot be in this government. Yes. We want to ask this united opposition to come slowly to Kisii. When they come here, they should know that they are the owners are there.
Nonya nabo nigo batebere uno mugabana Simba Arati tariko murwana Matiang'i orende nigo baganyetagwe tiketi yo kurwanira oburaibwense ya Kenya asensema ya bari bakoyamere serikali eli no manyagaso asekemina nekyo na barabwo
ase tutagere kubeka iko nate baiga momongi no mugusina ndo molemo kindi ko igomata isasinje iko nate baiga omugabana oitokoro ku Simba Arati asikwe
gachore tu n'abagusi bose ekera abantu abangao bagocha kurusiko ya Gusii bacha kumurama igono mugusi yokoraki uramwa ntogwancha
bantu baminto banyasiasa bari bachete Kisii county habwateranete noyo mito Matiang'i ngobakaniringa Simba tari kwa Matiang'i chikura asontegerere to muntu agonchorero muntu oyone bono igeto tageto moto tebinga mwaire Matiang'i eticket ekere mwaire Matiang'i eticket yari moramanyenga Simba ningo
nigo basabire campaign cyamasikani na siasa cyomurembe imiense ya Kenya abo asabate birebuna nigo bari magayo mugabana Simba Arati goikacho rweli ya kabere
sene ya unity ya Kisii ningo Simba Arati paka 2027 na ande tumaye ko musukia paka 2032 mo wanja boiba nakyo oburai bwa Gusii bwa etiri
given their due respect. We don't want to abuse anybody. We are peaceful people. As they come, we welcome them, but we might not accept their ideologies. Be united and support our governor for a second term, 2027.
Bono niko yatigera sawa manyina bana siasa kwa kyo mali ameno bwanchani ngakechiga chia siasa cyo mwaka wa 2025 nguripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa sobo katakati mu Chibosonge county ya Kisii Eritrea ne Wycliffe Orenge.